think that's his house over there. I'm kind of scared, Timmy. Do we really gotta do this? He killed my neighbor, so it's only fair that we do this. Yep. We shouldn't have came here. Yeah, well, he deserves it. Oh! 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 Jimmy! Oh! Greg! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let me go! Help!
Why are we watching this overgrown rat twerking? He's having fun. Calm down.
Yeah, Big Chin, I'm having fun!
What the hell?
Greg!
What about Greg?
The chainsaw man took Greg.
The chainsaw man? Did you two go looking for him? Good job! Now Greg is in trouble. Now what?
Please let me go. How do you wear someone else's face? Help!
Living in a world of Western world, tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar.
Oh no! Oh no! Shut up!
Wait, I don't hear the chainsaw anymore. Did he go away? Maybe.
Maybe his mom called him to come home for dinner. Maybe he didn't want dinner.
Okay, everyone calm down. I'm Officer Bubba, so everything will be okay. You put that weapon down!
Let's go, Officer Bubba!
What the hell? Honey, go fight him. Me? Okay.
Let's go, Papa Big Chin! Who's there?
Well, what do we have here?
Who are you?
So your little friend likes to throw grenades at my house. Well, my son will take care of him.
Your son? You mean the freak with the chainsaw?
My son will take care of you all.
Hey, let me go! I told Timmy it was a bad idea.
Will you just relax, Debbie? Did your son get kidnapped, baby Trevor? No, but I wish he did.
You wanna tussle?
Listen, Debbie, we're gonna do everything we can to get Greg back. Oh, when I get my hands on that freak,
I'm gonna rip him apart!
Oh!
sorry.
Why are people screaming outside?
It's him. Let the party begin. You ready, baby Trevor? Doesn't look like I have a choice. I'll take that as a yes. Here he comes.
Why your face look like that?
I don't know.
You son of a bushka!
I think you guys did it. I think he's dead.
Yep, looks like it. That was easy.
Oh my bushka!
Honey, your foot!
Oh! It looks like chicken.
Honey, he doesn't die so easily. Now what?
I wish Luke and Lucy was here. Billy, call Michael Myers.
You're right.
Mikey! You okay, Billy?
I really need to get new shoes. She lost a foot and she's worried about new shoes? You okay, Debbie?
That freak is gonna pay for taking my son!
Time to play!
Ooh, play what? Grand Theft Auto? Roblox?
Honey, I don't think Debbie meant video games.
Rats! Ooh, that kick to the gut is gonna make him go poop!
Debbie, look out!
Holy cow! Good morning, Marshmallow.
What's going on?
Oh, you're awake, Billy? Oh.
Where's my son?
Oh, Debbie, your hand.
Why is everyone losing limbs?
I don't wanna lose anything.
I'm out of ammo. So am I. Where's he going?
I'll be back, guys.
Where the hell do you think you're going?
You mind your business! Yeah, what's up? This is Luke. Luke, you gotta come to my house right away. Sorry, Timmy, I can't. I'm at the beach. There's a crazy guy trying to kill us. What? I'll be right there. Okay.
Will you quit shaking?
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated storm. Sky is turning gray, and the sun is turning red.
Honey, I don't think your foot did any damage to him. Well, then it looks like we're gonna go with plan B. This is for cutting my foot off. Oh my gosh!
There goes another body part.
Honey! No, please!
I am the knight. I am vengeance.
Oh snap! It's Big Lip Bat Boy.
Cheeto?
Yeah. Why are you feeding me sugar?
So when I turn you into a homemade soup, you'll taste sweet.
You're gonna eat me? Help!
Oh!
Where are you? Hey, Papa Big Chin, you need a new haircut.
Shut up. Now quiet down. I'm about to listen to the news.
Breaking news! A man with a mask and a chainsaw is terrorizing your neighborhood. Now everyone scream!
Sorry.
You remind me of a Teletubby.
That freak is coming back. Well, let him come back. I got something else for him.
Ooh, let's go, Mom.
Okay, where's that freak with the chainsaw?
Baby Trevor, I like your hair.
Where's my hat? Debbie, you heard about the freak with the chainsaw? I sure did. I was listening to the news on the radio while eating my buffalo chicken sandwich.
Mom, that freak with the chainsaw was here already, but Timmy's older brother shot him, so he ran away. He's super dangerous.
Zip it, Greg. Mama came prepared. Well, at least Debbie brought extra firepower. What the?
What the hell?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go, Mom. Mom.
Oh, snap!
Shut your mouth, SpongeBob! And I'm gonna see you in hell!
mean, Mom!
That's what you get for taking my knife.
Oh no, bro!
Now hold on. I'm on the floor. This isn't a fair fight.
No!
Oh my gosh! What the hell?
Stop in the name of cheese! Yeah! Cheeto! Cheeto!
Billy said Mikey rise!
Yeah, I heard. The whole neighborhood heard, you troll. Yeah, you son of a bushka.
Mikey! Get him!
Aw, here he goes!
Damn! Honey, you're awake!
Good job, Mikey.
Weasel!
He picked up his chainsaw!
Holy bushka! Oh, cover your eyes, Timmy. Don't watch.
Oh, I'm watching!
Why are you crying, Snowflake?
Because I wanted to help and I couldn't call Mikey.
Dork!
Well, it's okay, Billy. Maybe you can help next time.
Yeah, so quit your crying before I ground you for 2 months.
Oh.
I'm just glad we got rid of this guy. Thanks, Luke.
Yeah, thanks, Luke. Thank you for helping. Honey, your foot and your hand, they grew back. You're right. It's like I could regenerate.
Whoa, that's so cool! I want to regenerate.
Get out of the way, Cow Eyes! Where's that freak? Oh, he's dead. But we still need to find my son.
Mom, I'm right here.
Greg! I'd never see you again. Ah.
Greg, but how did you escape? Well, someone rescued me. Hello. Lucy!
Get over here!
Damn. Timmy, you okay?
Yeah.
Try Mikey again.
Mikey!
Get away from me!
I bet my son would love to wear your face. Hold still.
No, not my face! Help! Lucy! Hi, Greg. Come on, let's get out of here.
Oh, crap!
Ah! His head!
Oh my gosh!
Luke, you made it just on time! Yeah, well, it sucks, because I was having fun at the beach.
Honey! Get away from me!
Dang, bruh!
Yeah, that's why you don't like a girl, Big Chin.
Next time I'm sleeping, don't crawl on my face!
Dad, don't be mad at Cheeto. He was just trying to cuddle.
Yeah, Big Ginormous Chin. I just wanted to cuddle.
Do I look like someone who wants to cuddle with a diseased, mutated, rabies-infested rat?
Yeah, you do.
Just leave me alone.
Hey, Dad, look at me. Do I remind you of anyone?
Don't remind me. What are you doing? Timmy, you're gonna hurt your dad by accident, so can you please stop?
Fine.
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray.
He's gutting him like a fish! Oh, Ow, my ears! Dang, Mom, you could've gave me a warning.
Sorry, honey. It was an automatic reaction.
Guys, I think Billy fainted.
Who cares about Billy? I'm calling the cops. That freak with the chainsaw knows where we live now. Timmy, you and your friend go hide the neighbor's body in the basement. We don't need the cops showing up thinking we had something to do with it. And then our neighbor walked in and the freak started gutting him with the chainsaw. Oh no. Hold up. Did you scream like a girl? Is that really important? To me it is, Big Chin. So answer the question or I'm taking you downtown. Okay, yeah, I screamed like a girl. I knew it! Officer, is there anything you can do to help us?
He's back!
Thanks, Mikey.
Even for me, that's one scary son of a babushka.
What's up, old friend? Well, goodbye to you too.
Is he dead? Yeah, he dead. Look at this meatball.
Well, looks like Mikey saved the day. My knife!
Okay, everyone freeze! It's you!
Not again!
He's getting away!
Timmy, go drag that body and put it in the basement.
What the hell?
He's gone!
Living in a world of Western Mora, tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray, and the sun is turning red.
Ah, my face!
Will you quit complaining about your big chin face and get up? Yeah, get up, big chin.
Why don't you go do something, big mouth?
You know what? I will.
Timmy, I don't think that's a good idea.
Mom, they don't call me Mr. Miyagi for nothing. Karate chop that freak, Timmy! Looks like your baby chainsaw doesn't work anymore. Oh, crap! That's what I'm talking about, Timmy! Time to say goodbye, freak!
Brutality.
Sorry.
Timmy!
I knew that was gonna happen to you.
You be quiet! Oh my gosh!
Why the hell are you two running in the house like that?
Yeah, what happened, Timmy?
Okay, so me and Greg were wandering in the woods, and we see a house. A really old house. And then we go inside, and we see a guy wearing a mask, chopping up bodies. And then he saw us and started chasing us. And I think he followed us all the way home.
I don't believe any of it. What the hell is that?
I forgot to mention, the guy had a chainsaw.
Here we go again.
That's the guy.
What's going on in here?
We are in trouble.
Holy moly!
Our neighbor!
Holy guacamole! You see how I play? That's how you do it. So you really don't like to talk, huh?
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Timmy, tell your friend to stop looking at me like that.
Well, maybe it's looking at you like that because of your big chin.
Funny, not.
Well, it's funny to me. Hey, yo, Smiles, I'm gonna get us a snack. I'll be back.
What the hell are you looking at? Get out of here! What the hell are you doing? Get away from me, freak!
Smiles, put my dad down.
Timmy, why did you invite this thing here, you idiot?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. You want to repeat that?
I said you're an idiot.
Smiles.
Let me go. Is that my window?